my little friend Momo. I'm Veterinarian Mimi. You're gonna feel better very soon.
Purr. Meow.
Come here, Momo. You're feeling much better. Huh? Woo, wow.
Hello.
Ouch. Don't worry. I'm Veterinarian Mimi. I can help you.
Really?
Of course.
Me now. My leg. Ouch.
Oops. A tiny crab?
Meow.
Oosh. Wait for me. I'm coming to help you.
My leg hurts so much. Ow.
Let's take a look. Don't be scared, Giant Flamingo. I'll help you.
Ow.
We did it! Yay!
Me now.
Thank you, Veterinarian Mimi.
Follow me. I have a surprise. Wow! It's amazing! Time to cool off. Watch this. Momo, come join me. Meow. Great job. Hey, wait for me. The water looks so fun. Here I come. Help a friend be happy too. Kindness shines in all you do. Love animals, smile all day. Happy hearts will lead the way. Go, Momo. Meow. Be happy, happy. Let your smile light the way. Be happy, make happy. Fill your heart with joy today. Be happy, make happy. Let your smile light the way. Be happy, make happy.